Hello dear students, this is Sheikh Zamir. Today we are going to see how we can find out determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix. So let us proceed. The example is the determinant of the matrix, that is 2 2 1 1 3 1 1 minus 2 2 is. So there are 3 rows and there are 3 columns. So it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So today we are going to see how we can find out determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix by using shortcut method. So let us proceed. So first what we have to do is that we have to write down all the elements of the given matrix. So see here I am writing all the elements of the given matrix. So first column 2 1 1, then second column 2 3 minus 2, third column 1 1 2. Now in the next step we have to write down the first two column as it is here. We have to write down the first two columns, these first two columns as it is here. So it is a part of that method. So what we are doing, we are writing the first two columns as it is here. 2 1 1, then 2 3 minus 2. So we have written first two columns of the matrix as it is here. So it is a part of the method. We have to write down the first two columns here. Then in the next step we have to mark the center element of the first row. So this is the first row, mark the center element. So this is the center element, and from that center element we go diagonally to the right. See here, from this center element we go diagonally to the right hand side. So mark the diagonal element from this element. So from the center of the first row we go diagonally to the right hand side. So I have marked the diagonal here, and then multiply all these three numbers. So 1 into minus 2, so this becomes minus 2. So we have to multiply these three numbers. In the next step, go towards this number to the left of this center element. From this element we again mark diagonal to the right hand side. So from this point mark the diagonal. So it will be like this. Okay, so I have marked the diagonal from next of this element to the left hand side, that is 2 2 1 1. So again multiply all these three elements, we get 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, and then after this element. So again mark the diagonal. So I have marked the diagonal and multiply all these three numbers. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So this is one of the part. Now we go again from the center of the element, we go to the left diagonally. Earlier we have go from this center of element, we go to the right diagonally. From this center of element we have started earlier, then from this element, and then from this element we go diagonally to the right hand side. Now again in the next step we have to start from the same element, that is center of the first row, and now we go to the left diagonally. So see here, from this element we go to the left hand side diagonally. Okay, so multiply this. 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. Then from the right hand side element, this 2, again we go to the left hand side diagonally. So again mark the diagonal like this, and then again multiply. 2 into 1 into minus 2 is, it is minus 4, and that last element is 2. Again mark the diagonal from this element. So again multiply these three elements. 2 into 1 into 2 is 4. Okay, so this is the method. That method is called as diagonal method. So first of all we have to mark the center element of the first row, then from that center element of the first row we go to the right hand side diagonally. So diagonally we go to the right hand side from the center element like this, and then to the left hand side like this. Now what we should do is that we have to add all these three elements and then this also. So we have to add all these elements. So add these three elements. So 3, this minus plus become minus. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. So its addition is plus 3. Okay. Here also 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 minus this minus plus become minus. So 14 minus 2 is 12. And at last the answer will be given by this number minus this. So we will always remember, answer will be always given by whatever number we got here, that number minus this number will be the determinant of the given 3 by 3 matrix. So always this number minus this number will be the determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix. So the determinant of given matrix is determinant of given matrix is equal to 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. So in this way we can find out determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix by using this method. This method is called as diagonal method. This method is called as diagonal method. This is all about this type of examples or this type of determinant that we can find out determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.